Ladies and gentlemen, rapper Lil Jon was roasted by Call of Duty pros like Scump for his hilariously terrible play at the Vanguard world premiere event.
Everyone from
well,
HP.
you can go back and, like you said, watch the VOD. That's how you can see it again,
no,
Maven.
it's Patrol.
Yeah, it was pretty incredible. But all right, hey, map number 2. Game number 2, we're going to hop on in right now. It's going to be some Desert Siege action. Look at all the wind, Maven. It's just moving around.
Well, this one, I've been excited to see. I haven't personally played Patrol yet, but Hardpoint has been part of, you know, the Call of Duty Esports for a really long time. But now, to my understanding, it's like kind of one point, instead of it topping to set positions, it's just sort of a constant rotating